Me more about go to Lucky TV and yeah, good evening, some and some more question. But for question, good morning.
Yeah, morning, Nana.
Bibi Aboko. So where dear? Baby girls no be away. Okay, nice one. And then December crowd Kotoko. Omu game with no what the buno. Omu story game with El Hilano. And then a second leg in it to ja Omduma and Owo Sudan. And she announced we doing Komoka cry. But when you acquire her first league in Libya, Ewa Krana, Omu game they saying after 90 minutes.
Yeah, Nana, my initiative from Lucky TV. Now, Lucky Facebook. And Lucky TV.
Lucky Sports 1.
Lucky Sports 1 on Facebook.
And I feel Lucky TV on Facebook.
Yes.
It's good life.
Oh, yes, indeed. Obia say what so say what hino. Obia nko nko.
Sure.
Yeah, and I heard first game now called before Christmas now. I think a lot was expected from Kotoko. After although then now they saw it that Maxwell Kunedu was the casualty. It was second. So we're expecting that at least I sack Maxwell Kunedu then everything should go on well. So when everything doesn't go on well, then it means that whoever sacked Maxwell Kunedu did a disservice to Kotoko. And going into the game, I think Kotoko didn't play to the expectation of the fans. But for me, I was not surprised because what's a group of Fianapa. So I heard Kotoko 50-11 won the Sna Zerba. They've not done anything extraordinary. Abakadebia Kotoko Butumwashe El Hilal of Onduman. I will share. You see, El Hilal Nankasa they came with a game plan. And what they came to do in there, they will defend very well and they will organize themselves very well and hit Kotoko on the counter. Mind you, you were about 6 players and 7 players no Sudan team now when you Ghana boy. Okay,
that's part of national team.
The part of national team of Sudan. So they knew very well how Kotoko operates. Already, Wabakrum had it 1 week before the game. Into when you chance call the match between Kotoko and Dreams FC. Into they knew how they played. I was showing because normally say about creating after one last game it will inform you into what they will do in the next game. That is what they did. And also so after watching that game they saw it that Christopher Nate was he's a very good player. Mind you, he's a very good player, but defensive wise I suspect.
But on that day I'm enough of Christopher Nate against El Hilal. I think say to me 1 year will be an not me hearing simple experience or what even though so Boama Blasters maybe but I didn't see enough from
so Sudan match in Ankasempa against Black Star and who then on a weakest link. I just gave him the benefit of the doubt because no in the first time I will Black Star but when I know a loophole Sudan from what utilize ye and so coming into the game and about 6 and 7 players and I knew that what the same place is what they were going to use and so the first match that was the cutout plan I was by the last minute 2 go Vini Bungunga Kombi or 2 go was the one and so I was not surprised for the first
but let me ask you this one now Koroko Koroko game when what the boy that was the first leg 1-1 Mauritania. Oh, difference from that game with El Hilal because we have 2 games now. Difference people man. I say the way boys new boy and Asana. I must have this play against El Hilal.
Kotoko, they didn't do anything different. So about here, Kotoko, since your current ball our boy in there, they just play from the back and they play long balls. Now long balls, I want as a crown now I'm here or Max Okunedu. Long balls and what bar. But they keep on playing the long balls. What long ball then the opponent will return the ball, but still they keep on playing the long balls. One thing I what long balls in there, Kotoko they don't have a ball progressor. I normally have a friend creativity number 10. On Inza Fabio Gama was in the band. They don't have. So if you don't have that, then you would have to rely on the wings. Another long balls. Now long balls also require a bar. It means that you have to have a target man who will link up the wingers. But target man in the he gets the ball, second balls and also Utumo break a ball on the crowd because of Sudan. While organizing one another El Hilal, while organizing one with 20. The second ball CBR, then they will pick it up, and that is what worried Kotoko. And this is a problem. Max Okunedu or currently is still there.
So what are you expecting from Kotoko today? Game no nye better, sir, because El Hilal are more experienced in terms of even CAF champions. And African tournament ayebo. Expectation men are percent Kotoko expecting for more.
Now one expectation wise, 2 teams in here they are motivated to play. So Echo El Hilal. One president is out to go the operator to win a match number 1 $80,000.
Yes.
Now Dana, it will interest you to know that it was not because of Kotoko game into no more $80,000. Eko El Hilal Krumwa or another team or one bitterest rival. Our phone El Marik. The meeting when you share Champions League. First league one was share 3-0. Why the Kotoko na Hatia?
Nigeria Yimba.
Yes, Nigeria Yimba. So in there yet Ghana, in their heart of home Peter Kotoko qualify. No was I winning. The same thing applies in Sudan. El Marik is one
rivals.
Best. Into one pedal wants to qualify. And so what your El Hilal, so when you have Fimipe, although they will lead one goal, El Marik was one share 3.
Okay.
And they are going into the game. So say share 3 Africa in there on your automatic is a but point wise and there logically they may qualify.
Okay.
And so this is why one president was it $80,000. Otum was shame they will to qualify and 1 year and mockery to their rivals El Marik. This is why they are putting in this. And Kotokoso, Kofi Aban, so he has been very wise and not thoughtful there. So more promised one $300 for each player. But mind you, what happened at the place on their bonuses and other stuff, and I think it didn't go on well with the place. I think mistrust to be a setting. They promised them, and you know, no adibu. Time I walk in 1 per diem, 1 sanka. Dreams FC Legon City's match I win 1 cent kind. And so the players don't find it there now, then it means that the leadership and other the management they are not trusting them and they are not giving out their promises. What players hate too is there about promise one. Maybe and deliver what promise. And that was one thing or how I dream you. And so going into the game itself, I think one thing Kotoko would where previously and now in the first game I would fail it. No, was 30 feet. They were building up from the back, but it was very slow. Because the people were organizing. So if the passes are not quicker, a pass is slowly, you make them organize and I regroup again. Because the moment you pass to your other player, then they will regroup. Because it's not quick. And that is one thing that worried them. Another thing that worried them, they didn't have any ball progressor. As I've stated earlier, that is the problem. But then Fabio Gama with Mwaba. As to do with 90 minutes of good football, we can't tell. But we are yet to see. But
on the side of Fabio Gama, to me, amount for Keka. It says still now on Shadang Fit. And I got a chance to watch them against Mediama game. All those are the latter part of the game. But I didn't see enough from Fabio Gama. A game was in your game better. No injury. I was uncle German and Kohana be bringing injury.
On America there, if you've watched Fabio Gama, say heard Nick clips and he showed there he's a good player and that he can play. But a player that has not played about 1.5 years, not as about this game of the magnitude, it will be very, very difficult for him. But I think Kotokankasa why you want home one. Because in the game and KB being here Maxwell back home, being here Augustino Cramo in this mist and Kobutumwa castrate Bibiamo, but they don't have enough. Because even players that they signed that will be feed and will be deliver and crampo, most of them are not even fit. And so on that score it will be very difficult for them. But one thing that they can rely on and is if Emmanuel Jenfi, if he's able to up his game and I come into the party. So I can games are no winner. McKay truncated like one in Legon Cities. The game that he gave him will be that. So if he's able to produce that game and now produce that thing that he did in Legon Cities game, I think then Kotoko stand the chance of even winning.
The game. We are live on Facebook at Lucky Sports 1 and at Lucky TV on Facebook. I'll be to my joint trainer by number 0542064553. Now for you to me and so I didn't comment by say 9 half into a discussion or so how way the Kakra and Sufi a Kumasi Bantama and what they are but Kosi Koroko win against Al Hilal Koroko 4 Al Hilal 0 if you Kumasi Bantama we watch on so area but way Eddie Fee East Legon Accra Ghana Soldier was Koroko will surprise Ghana today Koroko go higher all the way now on Soldier Eddie Fee East Legon on also Watson Eddie Apinti way Eddie Free Spin Test Road Battle Natota and Odiaba Clement was good work from you and your pandit more fire Koroko win their game against Al Hilal and I feel also what to me Eddie Abawe so Eddie dear Free Takra the Apramodo Eddie Aba Kwejoba was a fantastic analysis Koroko all the way I feel also or the Abenchi Kese and Koma, Mabanana, I've been doing a watching live from Asaibu School Junction. So that question to me and Koma. I question to us. Now, you game no once again.
Yeah.
Coaching side for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. We have here interim coach Johnson Smith.
Yeah.
And now we'll take charge. Johnson Smith will play against Dreams.
Yeah.
Win. Yes, also pressure. But the second game will take charge against Al Hilal. Newman Sheda and Koyama. This time around, playing with Sudanese side, we are very giant. I'm coaching, very experienced, of course. What should Johnson Smith do today?
Yeah, I think one thing I said that Johnson Smith set out across to the players in there. Kotoko, it has been long since that ball and I will run into the CAF Champions League. 14 years ago, now we were into the CAF Champions League group stages. And so, if you want to make a mark for yourself, you'd have to play out of Wankasa Melbourne. They have to be motivated intrinsically. They should forget about the bonus, and they should concentrate on the pitch. Already, they should look at it there. It's one job that they have taken it up from themselves. And playing into and playing Kotokwan, it doesn't mean that one quarter you would play elsewhere. And so Johnson Smith must tell the players now, this is our battlefield. And although we are down by 1-0, but in football, it is not over until it is over. And so you tell this players, they put this at the back of their mind and hope that they will deliver. For tactics and tactical wise in a day, I believe that Razak Abalowa is supposed to be imposed. That's the advice that I will give him. Razak Abalowa should be imposed. Christopher Nete should be imposed. And I will be at the right back. The left back, I believe Moro Ibrahim is much fitter than Patrick Asma to play. And the 4 and 5, Ismail Ganiu. I would have loved them Kamun Habib Mohammed there, but we have 22-man squad no more. He's not in. Actually, Habib Mohammed is not in the squad. I think, okay, Habib Mohammed is in the squad, and I think it's good for them. So I'll go in for Habib Mohammed. And now Abdul Ganiu, do go to my pair, I was center pen because the first game that they played with Al Hilal, Accra, with Wahab Adams, he was very suspect. Okay. I was using the side in Yepa. I went to Mwambwa. Right. And so the center pair, Abdul Ganiu, then Habib Mohammed should be the center pair. In the midfield, I think they're going for 4-4-2. So in the midfield, the 2, 6, and 8 are going for Kwame Adam Frempong, and Latif Anabila. Nice. And on the wings, Godfred Isiama on the left, then Emmanuel Jemfi on the right. Okay. This time around, the striking pair, another striking force, and I would prefer that I will see Kwame Opoku. I think he has done tremendously well for Kotoko since that he joined them. And so Kwame Opoku as a striker, then supported by Osman, better by Ibrahim Osman, and I think that would be better than William Opoku Mensah, because I heard the match that they played with El Hilal Ewakrana, William Opoku Mensah, he didn't do that well. But actually, the first game they played against Nouadhibou, Mauritania now. Ibrahim Osman, then Kwame Opoku, I think their combination.
But I think I have a problem with Godfred Asma.
Isiama,
so Godfred Isiama, and then also Wahab Adams.
Yeah.
Now listen. Okay. Felisana number back. They likely to be too much start. But I hear a game in a boy first league now.
Yeah.
Godfred Isiama.
Yeah.
To me was a flop.
Yeah.
Because defensive wise, to me crowd control ball, to me jab on.
Yeah. Totally. American menu ya pa because on team pointed on was the son and the formation that they set out to play 4-4-2 now, they will need wings, another wingers now so the only natural winger Emmanuel Jemfi, and after Emmanuel Jemfi the only natural winger that you get is Godfred Isiama. And if they set out to play in the 4-4-2 with the wings that we know them to play, because Kotoko are not able to use the midfield now because they don't have any ball progressor. So should they have ball progressor, I think it would have been wise then maybe Obama go for the same manner firstly going to one and over to Martino, but they don't have any option. So they would have to play him. And I think if say what Godfred Isiama and Emmanuel Jemfi for the start now, it will help. But the striking pair now American, I think he should go in for Kwame Opoku and Ibrahim Osman. Okay. And so Legon City's match now winning. Okay. If you look at the communication and the telepathy between Kwame Opoku and Ibrahim Osman, it was good. The Nouadhibou, so Ibrahim Osman, then Kwame Poku was good. So William Opoku this time around, I know that Johnson Smith or any Yejuma or Karela Sekeya or any Yejuma or Karela Kakra only, but this match going for Ibrahim Osman.
Veni Bongunga, yes, another player who will be a very major attempt to bet my Katokopa. Okay, maybe a few bench beha Kotoko Adriana. So that player on whom is saying the first game.
Yeah, I think he's one player watching on Point Cherry. He has not even played about 5 matches.
Okay.
But he's very clinical in his finishing. So the first 10 minutes in Ankasa, Nkofino was sharing and BB there. Kotoko Ebo one put my bit me one. Indeed, Yusuf Mohammed.
Okay.
First 10 minutes now, he had a ball in the 6-yard box, but when utilizing the chance on very difficult today. Al Hilal the Krampo Butum watch the game, but coaching reading it and now reading the game to the latter pattern. Okay, Kotoko.
Okay.
This currently, they lose concentration a lot, especially the latter part of the game in the first 15 minutes. 11 wonders were trying. Last 15 minutes in Wotum will lose a point. Prince Okreku Wotum winning. The second game with Mbrekum Chelsea, so you have 98 minutes or so. Emmanuel Clote Bebe Shanwan. Okay. Media man so Wotum will concede in the latter part. In the El Hilal game, so we're conceding the 77th minutes. Into that pattern, now coach in reading on who there now. Kotoko will lose concentration.
Nice
now, ma Veni Bongunga Kombi.
Okay.
Fantastic
striker.
So yeah, fantastic striker.
Congolese, eh?
Yeah.
All right.
Congolese. And the Kotoko, we wish them all the best. But say be some candid opinion, I will be very difficult.
Sure.
Until already one former player, Emmanuel Ajman Bedun Parker, even Charles Akono Parker, also it will take a miracle.
Nice
I believe that it will take a miracle.
Fantastic analysis.